Hello everyone, we are Team Legal Expert. We are a team of two and currently in our final year of BTech in computer science. Well, let's talk about our use case. Hundreds of farmers in Madhya Pradesh, a state in India, who had entered a contract for drumstick farming in 2018 are now fighting to get a case registered against a company that disappeared after cheating them. Well, there has been a rising frauds against farmers. Well, if you read the article further, which I have also linked it here, you will find out the testimonies of farmers where they have not either read or they didn't understand the contract and had to sign it under the pressure of other companies. And these kind of cheating contract cases against farmers has been rapidly growing. When we did further research into this topic, we found out two major reasons to it. Well, first being the contract not being in their native language. As you all know, India has more than 30 different languages. While the contracts are mainly in English, farmers find it difficult to read and understand them. And second being the complex language used in the contract, while it being of more than 3 to 4 pages, making the situation even worse. So we thought, how can we solve this problem? And so we came up with our idea, Legal Expert. Now allow me to show you a quick demo of our website. So visiting our website legalexpert.netlify.app, a user first logs in or creates an account. Here he is greeted by a dashboard where he can enter or paste the text. So let's take a sample contract data. I'll paste it here and I click on submit. So when I click on submit, so what our website does, it calls the Expert AI API. It shows us a variety of data that can be super useful for a farmer. So let's start with the main characters and entities involved. Here we show what are the main characters involved in the contract. Let's say here, as you can see, is the year, the witnesses, the contract sum, the areas, and other essential details. We have used the entities endpoint to get this data. On the left hand side, you can see the green boxes. Well, what it essentially tells a farmer is the important topics that are involved in the contract. So for example, it's agriculture, law, finance, banking. This and the summary, which you can find just below this, have been used through the relevance endpoint. Well, here in summary, as you can see, it gives a brief summary of the contract, helping the farmer save their time and also get the important gists in a contract. Below here, we have the sentiment of the document. Here it says positive, negative, or overall. This is important to understand if the document is not biased or the one which is negatively impacting farmers. Well, this what I showed you just now is to tackle the second problem, which was that the contracts were of complex languages and were of more than 3 to 4 pages, making it difficult for farmers to understand. Using this, they would be able to get the main characters and important details as well as a short summary to better understand. Now let us talk about the first and the most important challenge a farmer faces is that the contract is not in their native language. So what we essentially did is, with the help of Microsoft Azure's translation API, we have integrated 5 Indian native languages. Here you can see Hindi, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu. So if a farmer understands Hindi better, he can click on Hindi and now he would be able to read all the important points in their own native language, therefore helping them better understand the contract. Just to give a brief overview of what's happening in the backend, is a user first signs up through a website, enters the contract. This we send to the Expert AI API server to get the full document analysis, through which a farmer or for that matter anyone can get summary topics and much more detailed analysis. And if a user wishes and wants to change it to a different language, we use the Azure Translation API to convert the results into multiple languages. We have used Node.js for our backend, Netlify to host our frontend, React HTML and Bootstrap to make our frontend, and hosted our backend on Heroku. We have also used MongoDB as our database. We have used three of the endpoints. One is the relevance, second is the entities, and third is the sentiment. Thank you. Please check our website legalexpert.netlify.app or our GitHub repo for more info. Thank you.